Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life. Here in my office again, which is my bedroom. If 2020 taught us anything, it's that you don't need a gym to get in a good workout. You can enjoy quick, effective workouts of all sorts in a comfort of your home. Like me, I do my exercise here in our bedroom or outside, and I do some biking and walk with my dog every day. So before I do my exercise outside, I have to put some sun protection on my skin, especially on my face, because the more we get older, the more we have to take care of our face because of the wrinkles in here. What I'm using is this carrot lotion. It's 60 SPF, and this is from Philippines, my country, but living here in Cambodia. So I'm using this for years, especially on my face. If I go outside, I have to put in my face and here on my chest, because this one, our skin also in here is also same our face. It's very sensitive. Okay, so I have to put now. And here on our chest, I have to take out this one. And of course, on our arm. Because after this, when I go exercise outside, I also swim. Okay, it's ready to go outside.
I also do yoga sometimes, but 2020 showed us that we could all benefit from slowing down. Between the COVID-19 pandemic and multitude disasters, emotions have been running at all time high for many people. One thing we can do to manage difficult emotion is practice mindfulness. So that's why I do some yoga, but people I know doing yoga is more relaxed and healthy, which is I love it. So combining mindfulness and physical exertion into one beautiful yoga. There's a lot in online yoga program. You can search and try it in your home. I do a very simple yoga. It's never ever too late to start exercising.
This is my Insta 360R. I love this action camera with stabilization and waterproof. So I will jump in the water with my Insta. Thank you for watching my video. And now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there.